Hi. As part of the second question, uh, here I have implemented a virtual storage. So as you can see, I have created three VMs, three virtual machines with Ubuntu Linux OS. So we can see the properties of the three OSs. That's Ubuntu OS. So this virtual machine has got two storages. Um That is one hard disk of 16 GB, and the second one is a shared storage with SCCA controller one independent persistence. So multi-sharing is enabled. I can show the settings also. So this is the settings. Uh, okay. So before that, in the storage section, I have got two storages. One that is 2 underscore 1, which I have used as the hard disk for the three VMs, and I have got a 10 GB shared storage, from which I have configured 2 GB each. 2 GB. So the first virtual machine. So I'm powering on the first virtual machine. So as I said, it is Ubuntu OS. So wait for the system to load. Okay. Now, if you go to the files, so this is a shared store which I have created. So I have created a folder named Medla, and there is a text file in that folder. So now we can create another text file. So text file is created. We'll see that. So testq2.txt is created. I have some network constraints, so I can't download the file mentioned in the question. So that's why I am showing a real-time example. So in this text file, we can add some data. Hello friend, virtual machine one. Okay, the file is saved. So the file is saved to the shared store. So now we can power off this virtual machine. I can't run all three virtual machines parallelly. So we'll power off this virtual machine and we'll power on the other one. And we can see whether the file is accessible to the virtual machine too. So the next one, virtual machine 2, will power on. So this one is also having the same settings. Um, so it has got 16 GB hard disk and a 2 GB shared hard disk, and SCCA control with VMI para virtualization. And here also the multi-sharing is enabled. It is a quick provision, eagerly zeroed type hard disk. So let's wait for the system to load. So now we'll go to the files. So you can see the folder make now, and in that we can see the testq2.txt that we have created in from virtual machine 1. So the text is accessible. So here we can create another one. So hello.txt is created. So hello friend, virtual machine 2. That's it. So now we have three files. So let's power off this one. Okay. So now we will start the third one. Linux Ubuntu. Okay. Virtual machine is loaded. Go to files. Another location we have the shared store. So Meghna is visible. So the three files are visible now. Hello.txt, Meghna.txt, and text2.txt. We'll see hello.txt. So we have hello from virtual machine 2. Similarly, virtual machine 1 also says hello. So thus, shared storage is implemented across the three virtual machines, virtual machine 1, 2, and 3, with 2 GB shared disk. So now the answer to the second part of the question, that is how many virtual machines can be connected to a shared storage. It depends upon the size of the shared storage actually. Theoretically, as many VMs can be connected, but with 3 VMs itself, it's really slow to load. So the performance depends. The runtime, increasing the size capacity of the disk during runtime, uh, that won't do much effect, I think, because like if we increase the size during runtime, it can affect the system behavior, because different systems will be using the shared store throughout during the runtime. So there can be corruption of data as well as malfunctioning. So that is not a good solution to increase the capacity of the data store while runtime. Thank you.